Let's draw ice cream. Start by drawing a cone. Awesome! Decorate the cone with lines. Add more lines. Good job! Now draw a scoop of ice cream. Wonderful! And another scoop. Fantastic! And draw one more scoop of ice cream. The word ice cream begins with the letter I. Write the letter I, and your picture will come to life. Let's draw a transparent jellyfish. First of all, let's draw its umbrella-like body. Then draw its mouth so your jellyfish can smile. Perfect! Now, draw wavy lines underneath its body. It looks like a skirt. And then draw smaller wavy lines. You did a great job! Let's draw 3 long tentacles. And 2 more. The word jellyfish begins with the letter J. Write this letter and the jellyfish will dance for you. Write it again, and it'll dance again. Let's draw a sweet kitten. First, draw its head. Make it round. Now its nose and muzzle. Well done! Draw its triangular ears. And long whiskers. Then make an oval body. Excellent! Draw the front paws. Draw 2 straight lines. And a rear paw. Excellent! Now you only have to draw a long tail. What an adorable kitten you've made! The word kitten begins with the letter K. Write this letter and your kitten will start meowing. Let's draw a proud lion. First, make a round head. Then, draw a muzzle and a mouth. Terrific! Now draw its long whiskers on the left and on the right. And small ears. Fantastic! Let's draw its magnificent mane. Nice one! Draw the lion's body. Very good. Don't forget to draw legs so your lion can run. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. There you go. Now draw a tail with a switch. The word lion begins with the letter L. Write this letter, and your lion will shake his head. If you wish to see a live lion again, write the letter L again. Medium blue.